Think about it. A client calls, upset because a technician was late, or perhaps a job took twice as long as estimated, eating into your profit margins. These aren't just minor inconveniences. They're direct hits to your bottom line and your customer satisfaction. In the traditional sense, tracking employees meant phone calls, check-ins, and a lot of guesswork. But with the advent of specialized software for field service businesses, a new era of transparency has emerged. We're talking about tools designed to streamline operations, from scheduling and dispatching to invoicing and, yes, even employee tracking. This isn't about installing hidden cameras in your vans or demanding minute-by-minute updates. It's about leveraging technology to gain insights that help you make better decisions, optimize routes, and ensure your team is working as efficiently as possible. It's about providing your employees with the tools they need to succeed while simultaneously giving you, the business owner, peace of mind. And that brings us to a question that frequently pops up in the world of field service management. Can you track employees on Jobber? For those unfamiliar, Jobber is a popular and robust field service management software designed to help businesses organize, schedule, and manage their operations. It's widely used by plumbers, electricians, landscapers, cleaning services, and many other mobile businesses. Its appeal lies in its comprehensive suite of features, aiming to simplify the day-to-day complexities of running a service business. So, let's address the elephant in the room directly. Yes, Jobber does offer features that allow you to track your employees. However, it's crucial to understand how Jobber approaches this and what capabilities it specifically provides. It's not about real-time GPS on a map tracking in the traditional sense like you might find with dedicated fleet management systems. Instead, Jobber's tracking functionalities are more focused on job status, location check-ins, and time tracking, all integrated within the workflow of a field service business. Let's break down the key ways Jobber enables you to monitor your team's activities, and more importantly, how these features contribute to better business management. Firstly, and perhaps most fundamentally, Jobber allows for GPS location stamping on job status changes. What does this mean? When your employee arrives at a job site and taps Start Job on their Jobber mobile app, the app records their GPS coordinates at that precise moment. Similarly, when they tap End Job, their location is stamped again. This isn't continuous tracking, but it provides powerful verification. You can see where they started and ended a job, offering valuable insight into their actual presence on site. This is incredibly useful for verifying job completion, resolving client disputes about service times, and ensuring your team is indeed where they're supposed to be when they're actively working. It's a discreet yet effective way to maintain accountability without constant surveillance. Secondly, Jobber offers robust time tracking capabilities. Your employees can easily clock in and out of jobs directly through the app. This feature records their start and end times for each specific job, allowing you to accurately track billable hours and employee productivity. This time data is automatically linked to the job, providing a clear record of how long each task took. This is invaluable for payroll, for analyzing job profitability, and for identifying areas where efficiency can be improved. Are certain types of jobs consistently taking longer than estimated? The time tracking data in Jobber can highlight these trends, allowing you to adjust your quoting, training, or scheduling strategies. Thirdly, the Jobber mobile apps on My Way feature adds another layer of communication and indirect tracking. While not a direct tracking tool for you, it empowers your employees to notify clients when they are en route. This improves customer experience and also provides you with an indication that your team is moving between jobs. If a client receives an On My Way notification, you know your employee has initiated that action, indicating they are actively engaged in the workflow. Furthermore, Jobber provides a comprehensive audit trail for job activities. Every significant action an employee takes related to a job, from changing its status to adding notes or photos, is recorded with a timestamp and the user who performed the action. This creates a detailed history of each job, allowing you to see who did what and when. If there's a question about a particular step in a job, you can easily go back and review the activity log. This transparency fosters accountability and helps resolve any discrepancies that may arise. It's important to reiterate that Jobber's approach to employee tracking is primarily designed for operational efficiency and accountability, within the context of field service management. It's not a real-time GPS tracking solution for fleet management or a tool for continuous employee surveillance. Instead, it focuses on providing data points that are relevant to job progress, time spent, and location at key workflow junctures. This distinction is crucial for understanding its capabilities and for communicating expectations to your team. The benefits of these tracking capabilities extend beyond simply knowing where your employees are. They contribute to improved accountability. When employees know their actions are being recorded, it naturally promotes a higher level of accountability and adherence to procedures. Enhanced efficiency. By understanding how long jobs are taking and where time is being spent, you can identify bottlenecks, optimize routes, and refine your scheduling. Accurate billing and payroll. Precise time tracking ensures you're billing clients accurately for work performed and paying your employees correctly for their hours. Better customer service. Knowing job status and estimated arrival times allows you to provide more accurate updates to your clients, leading to greater satisfaction. Data-driven decision-making. The data collected through Jobbers tracking features provides valuable insights that can inform strategic business decisions, from pricing to staffing. Implementing any form of employee tracking requires clear communication with your team. Transparency is key. Explain why you are using these features and not to spy, but to improve efficiency, ensure safety, and enhance the overall customer experience. Frame it as a tool that benefits everyone. It helps employees stay organized, ensures they're paid accurately, and ultimately contributes to the success and stability of the business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.